Right, so I know that Nigerians like proof, so this is just one of my mail accounts where I receive payment. Now this is my Payoneer. You can see that I've been receiving payment. You have received the payment so time on Payoneer. You have received the payment, you have received the payment, you have received the payment. $9, $8, $16, $33, $17, $84, $51, $12. Look at them. I can even open any of them. Let me open this one. You can see you have received the payment. $84 from ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform. I can still go on and on to show you guys more payment because I know Nigerians like proof, but that is not the reason I'm making this video. Look at it. You have received a payment. You have received a payment. Request to withdraw. Your withdrawal request has been received. Let me open it. How much did I even withdraw this particular time? How much did I withdraw? Okay, I withdrew $50. There are times I withdraw 200. But this is me just showing you screenshot of a lot of money I've received and the money I've withdrawn, and this is just from ClickBank, one of the affiliate marketing platforms I've made thousands of dollars from, and I received the money directly to my Payoneer account. Now the aim of today's video is to prove to you that you can actually make money online and to clear your doubt on why you don't make money online. So without further ado, let's head over to today's video, why you don't make money online. I've done a lot of research. I've seen a lot of people contact me and be like, I've not been able to make money online. I've never made money online. Is it possible to make money online? And after the whole conversations, I just realized that there are just three main reasons why people don't make money online, or people have never made money online. No matter the place you find yourself, you will be one of out of these three categories. Number one is either you are too lazy to make money online. Yes, you are too lazy, like you are not ready to do anything. The only thing you see the internet as is a tool for entertainment. So you go online to enjoy yourself, to entertain yourself, to have a good time, watch all the comedy skits and you leave. The truth is, if you have this mindset, you can never make money online, because there are two sets of people that make money and people that give money. It's either you are paying the money or you are the one making the money. So if you are watching videos online, like watching my video and everything, I'm making money from this stuff, to be honest with you, because as you watch my YouTube videos, I get paid for making good content. I'm going to expose everything to you guys, so don't worry, I got you on this. Now the second reason is you don't believe it is possible to make money on the internet. I know people that they don't believe how can you use your phone to make money online? Is it office? Is it a work? It's not possible. I used to be like you, but something changed. I met people that showed me how this thing works. It is not difficult. So if you have that mindset that it is not possible to make money online, oh my god, there are two things that are very important here. But then before we get there, let's look at the third reason. The third reason is that you don't know where to start. Yes, if you don't know where to start, I also got you. Now if you are too lazy to make money online, right, let me just tell you the honest truth. You just need to forget about anything I want to say here. This video is not for you. I'm sorry, I cannot help you. Only you can help yourself. This is game over, right? So you can go and be making your money offline if that is what you want, or you can just sit down, continue to lazy around and continue to complain. But if you actually you are not a lazy person, but it's just that you don't believe it is possible to make money online, which is totally understandable, then I'm here to open your eyes. There are two major things you need to do. First and foremost, not knowing that you can make money online, or not believing you can make money online, is a mindset. You need to change that mindset, because your mind is so powerful that whatsoever a man conceives in his heart is what he is what it manifests. So if you think you cannot make money online, no matter what I say here, you can never make money online. You need to change that mindset. You need to change that approach. But once you change that mindset and you think that yes, I can make money online, I need to know how, I want to learn it, then you need to now move to the second stage. The second stage is you need to take action. There are three things you must learn in this game. See, making money online is not just you picking money. This is business, serious business. Somebody is exchanging money for value or for whatever reason. So you need to know what you are doing here. First, you need discipline, you need determination, and you need dedication. Making money online is not that difficult, but I'm not going to tell you it's easy. You just need to, if you have the discipline, you have the determination, you have the dedication, I can guarantee you are going to succeed here. It is not difficult. And let me tell you the reason. The reason is that even after watching this video, a lot of people will not take action. That is why I'm not scared of telling people the things I do, all the steps I take, because people are naturally lazy. They are not ready to do anything. So out of maybe 100 people that watch this video, maybe it will just be 2 that will be ready to go extra mile to want to take action. Some people will watch the video, they will feel motivated. After the video, they go back to their square one. That is the end. So if you want to make money online, you need discipline, you need determination, you need dedication, you need to be consistent, you need to keep hitting it until you make money. And if that you find yourself in this place that you want to make money online, then I'm going to help you. Now you and this third person, you are in the same category now, because now you have changed your mindset. So now I've changed my mindset, I want to make money online. Where do I start? So if you are in that category of you don't know where to start, this is what you are going to do. I'm going to show you where you start from. I'm going to open your eyes to all the places you can legitimately make money online in this video. I might not go in depth to start analyzing them, but I'm going to mention them. In my next video, I'll begin to explain how they work. This is going to be a series. Then after that video, I'm now going to show you the platforms you can make the money. And the next video that will follow, I'll tell you the difference between an high income skill and an high income profession, right? So without wasting much of our time, let's go to, if you don't know where to start from, where you need to start. Now, for you to start, you need to look for a skill. You need to look for a skill. If you notice, I mentioned a skill. It is very important. That skill is what will help you make money. There are many skills that can pay you to make money this 2022, but among many skills, the list is endless. I'm just going to mention a few, the ones that I know really work, the ones I have tried, the ones I have people around me doing, and majority of them I've tried them. So these skills, we have software development. Software development simply means coding, building software. You could be a front end, back end, full stack. I'm not going deep down to explain. You make money from YouTube. For every YouTuber you see here, they are making crazy amount of money. I can't even go in details to start telling you how much I've made from YouTube. There's money on YouTube, that's the summary. And there's money in blogging. So blogging, writing articles. Anytime you check on Google to find an article, somebody is making money somewhere. I'm going to expose your eyes to all these things and how they work. Affiliate marketing. The money I showed you that I was making $15, $10, $17, $88, $200, $500 daily. I was making those money from affiliate marketing, ClickBank. So affiliate marketing is an area that I've made a lot of money from, thousands of dollars, tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars. So that's not even an issue. I can teach you that one. We have copywriting. Copywriting simply means writing stuff to make people buy, writing articles that convince people to buy a product. People learn this skill. If you're a good writer, you have to learn the art of copywriting. This is another place to make money. We have user interface and user experience design. This is an aspect of product design. There are a lot of free courses there. I'm currently learning this one, so it's something that I'm also learning at the moment. It's a very crazy high income skill in 2022. We have trading, cryptocurrency and forex trade. I do this. So trading has been there for a long time. You can learn crypto trading. I'm not focusing on this area. I just want to mention the places. We have drop shipping. Drop shipping is different from affiliate marketing. Drop shipping, you need an online store, then you need a physical product. While affiliate marketing, you can promote products that are not even physical products. You don't need a store. All you need to do is to just send traffic to the product. Then we have domain flipping, buying a domain for a cheap price and selling it for an expensive price. People are making kill out of this. Video editing. If you're a good video editor, you can make crazy amount of money. A lot of people need good video editors for their content, and you can actually make videos and put on YouTube. Online courses. People are making money from online courses. All I need to do is to make a course, put it out there. People that want to learn have the knowledge, they will just pay for the course and I make money from it. There are many websites that people make money from online courses, like Skillshare, like Udemy, Udacity, Coursera, many websites. Then there's Amazon Kindle publishing. This one is hot cake right now. A lot of people are making money from Amazon Kindle. You write a book, you put it there, people begin to buy the book and you start making money from Amazon Kindle publishing. All these stuffs, it's not like they are easy, but they are not very difficult. It's something you can easily learn. We have freelancing basically means getting paid to do anything, like anything you know you can do. And the beautiful part of freelancing is any category you fall into, you must have something to freelance. If you know how to talk well, you can actually be a freelancer. If you know how to draw, you know how to, anything you can do. You can go on Fiverr, you can go on Upwork. There are many websites that need freelancers and you can make crazy amount of money. All these things, I've tried them. I have been in the space of making money online, and that is what I know how to do well. I can teach you guys, but you need to make sure that you have the passion, you have the interest. If you really want to learn, you want me to make more videos, just tell me, comment valuable content, more videos, so that I can know you guys are really pumped. Then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I'm going to explain some of these skills in details. Then I will now begin to show you guys where you can get free materials, valuable and free materials. And even if you're going to get the ones that are paid, I will show you how you can get them for a very, very big discount, like 70% discount, 80% discount. These materials are the things you need to watch, learn, then you can now go in and start making your own money. What I want to do here is to give you valuable content. If you like this video, you find this content interesting, don't forget to like my video. Bye for now. I love you guys. I want to see you make it. I want to see you succeed. I want to see you out there killing it, and I hope to see you in my next video.